Welcome to Maths for You YouTube channel. A past question on differentiation from Cambridge International. A curve has equation y equal half x to the power of 2 minus 4x to the power of 3 over 2 plus 8x. Find the x coordinates of the stationary points. Stationary points mean the tangent of a curve is parallel to x-axis. So tangent of a curve is given by dy over dx. Then the dy over dx, the tangent parallel to x-axis, that means the dy over dx equals 0. So first of all, we need to find the tangent, the gradient of the tangent, which is dy over dx. Let's differentiate. Dy over dx equal half times 2x minus 4 times 3 over 2 to the power of half plus 8. And simplify that 2 cancelled out, x, then that 2, this one, 2 times 3 is 6. So minus 6 x to the power of half plus 8. So this is dy over dx. What this one is, the gradient of a tangent of the curve at any particular point. Now we are sort of specifically looking for a stationary point. So the tangent should be parallel. Therefore, the gradient of tangent which is parallel to x-axis has to be 0. So dy over dx at stationary point, and simply at stationary point dy over dx equals 0. So dy over dx we have found x minus 6 x to the power of half plus 8 equals 0. If you look at this one, it's x upon half and x. So in other words, we can make this one as a quadratic equation. So what I have done, the x to the power of half equal k. Just take it, let x upon half equal k. So x upon half equal k, therefore x equal k squared minus 6 times k plus 8. So now is a quadratic equation in k. So, so simply we can factorize it. So I put a little cross, the factors k, the factors of k times k, and the factors of 8 is minus 2, minus 4. So k squared minus 4k minus 2k minus 6k, minus plus 2 times 4 is 8. So the factors are k minus 2, k minus 4 equal, that's the equation equals 0. So from k minus 2, k equal 2. And from k minus 4, k equal 4. But k, we know x to the power half. So x to the power half is 2, x is 2 squared. And x to the power half is 4, x is 16, the 4 squared. So now we found the x coordinates of stationary points. So we found x coordinates of stationary points. There are two stationary points. The x coordinate of first one is 4, x coordinate the next one is 16. Right, next part. Find d2y by dx. So simply differentiate again. We know dy over dx, that is x minus 6 times x to the power half plus 8. So differentiate that, x become 1 minus 6 times half times x to the power minus half. That will be 3. So that is 1 minus 3 x to the power minus half. That is the second part done. The third part, find, showing all the necessary working, the nature of each stationary points. So the nature of each stationary point, there are two stationary points. The nature means there can be local maximum, there can be local minimum, or there can be point of inflection, or one of them point of inflection, one of them minimum, one of them whichever. So that there are three types. It's the stationary points can be three types: minimum, maximum, point of inflection. So let's see. We have done the second order differentiation. That gives us another step ahead of the proving that stationary point. So the stationary point at x equal 4. So x equal for the first one. So dy over dx when x equal 4, substitute, just simply substitute 1 minus 3 times 4 to the power half. 4 to the power half is 2, 3 over 2, 1 minus 3 over 2 is minus half, because of 1 minus 1.5 is minus half. That is less than 0. Therefore, the first stationary point is maximum. And d2y over dx squared, x equals 16. When you apply that, 1 minus 3 times 16 to the power half, minus half, sorry, 6 to the power minus half, that will be 4, so 3 over 4. 1 minus 3 over 4 is 1 minus 3/4 is quarter, is greater than 0. That is minimum. So the sign of the second differentiation give us the stationary points type maximum minimum. If it's happen to be d2y by dx equals 0, then the point of inflection. But yeah, here is less than 0 and greater than 0. Therefore, maximum the first point. The next point is minimum. Thank you. Please subscribe the channel and share. That is much important. Share the contents and contents with other students and friends. Please do so. Thank you.